So again, everybody, I just said that I'd come out to the back garden, seeing as it's a nice day, and say a little hello to all our students and just to check in. Um, so today is Monday, the 23rd. It's actually hard to keep up with the days and the dates, so no harm to just kind of keep an eye on that. Um, I hope your weekend was nice. I know yesterday was Mother's Day, and a lot of us couldn't say hello to our mums and spend a bit of time with them in the way that we normally would. Shout out to all the mothers out there and say a big happy Mother's Day, and I'm sure that you'll all be celebrating once we are through this particular time. I'm out in my garden, as I said, and I suppose yesterday I spent a little bit of time digging and moving things around and cutting the grass, and just kind of making the most of the dry weather. Um, Hence why I'm able to sit on the ground. Buddy's here beside me as well, enjoying the sun. I just like to do maybe just a very short grounding exercise that maybe you might like to do as well at home. If you want, you can do this out your back garden or anywhere, but it's particularly nice to do your back garden or front garden or outside somewhere because you're exposing yourself to different sounds, the sounds of nature and the things that we can't hear when we're inside in our homes. First of all, I suppose just get nice and comfortable wherever you are. And if you like, you can close your eyes or you can keep them open, whichever you feel comfortable with. And I'd like you to bring your awareness now to the sounds. And now bringing your awareness now to the temperature. And just feeling the temperature against the skin on your hands and your face, the back of your neck. Bringing your awareness now to the smells, and now finally bringing your awareness to your sight, and just to take a look around you and just observe your environment. Maybe just looking at something a little bit more closely, like the soil on the ground or the veins on the leaf of a tree or a plant. And there you go. So that's just a very short grounding exercise, something that you can do wherever you are, even if it is that you're when things are back to normal and you're on your way back into threshold and you're on the bus. You can do the exact same thing when you're sitting down on the bus as well. But it is nice to do in nature. So I hope you all enjoyed that. and I hope to check in with you again with maybe another video this week. I'm trying to be a little bit more braver and be more open to this way of communicating. So enjoy your day, get out in the sunshine if you can, and I'll talk soon.